Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily edit your page bio on the Facebook app using your PC, especially if you're working with the new update. Whether you want to freshen up your profile, add new information, or just make your bio more engaging, this quick guide will help you do it in no time. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. It's important to use the app because the options may look different compared to the browser version. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile, where you can manage your page information. Now that you're in your profile, navigate to your Facebook page. This step is crucial because your bio belongs to the page, not just your personal timeline. So, click on the page you want to update from your profile or the Pages section. With your page open, find the Edit Bio button. This is usually positioned near your profile photo or under the page name, depending on the layout of the new update. Click on Edit Bio, and a text box will appear, allowing you to make changes right away. Go ahead and type the new bio or update the existing one according to your preference. Keep it clear, concise, and informative to attract visitors and followers. Once you've made the changes, don't forget to hit the Save button to apply your updates. Your page bio will now be updated and visible to everyone who visits your page. And that's it, a simple, straightforward way to edit your page bio on the Facebook app using your PC with the latest update. Whether you're sharing a tagline, business information, or something fun, updating your bio keeps your page fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching.